Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about some shortcut keys. They will help in Revit structure. So I have highlighted few things here. Revit shortcuts commands for the structural work. First one is called BM, BR, BS, CL, CM, FT, RN, RPSB, and WA as well. So we'll go one by one. What are the things that is possible in this particular video? I will try to cover, and in the next video, I will try to cover other shortcut keys as well. Okay, so before starting the video, if you are still not subscribed my channel, please to subscribe, share, and support. Let's go with today topic here. So I have already opened the Revit. मैंने ऑलरेडी रेविट ओपन कर चुका हूँ. अभी हम लोग शॉर्टकट केस के बारे में जानते हैं. ओके, सो आई एम ऑलरेडी ओपन द रेविट एंड आई एम यूजिंग रेविट स्ट्रक्चरल टेम्पलेट्स हियर. So see here in the structural tab, here's the option called beam. So in this particular beam, when you go to when you move with the cursor, so here it will show the structural framing beam, BM. So BM is a shortcut key. So I will show you how to use. Some of them are already expert in Revit structure, then still some of them are juniors. Uh, like okay, so when you click beam, so even you can draw as well as required. Otherwise, so shortcut is a BM. I will enter the BM, then see here. Wherever you want, you can draw the beams and click, and if you want, you can change the other elements as well. So BM, I'm just typing BMC. Okay. So I hope this shortcut is clear. Then I will move with another shortcut case called BR, structural framing brace. Add diagonal member that are connected to beams and column. So it's another shortcut keys here. So I will show you. See, here is the option called bracing system, structural framing brace. See here, when you move into the your cursor, here it will shows like bracing systems. See, add a diagonal structure members connected to beams and columns. To add brace, open a plan view or framing elevation. So here there is a two option. So I will show you one option, brace. You can click and you can draw. Otherwise, the shortcut key is BR. Correct? BR. Click here, then BR. Simply draw. So otherwise, simply draw here like this. So I will delete these things. I will delete these things first. Okay, so BR is a shortcut. I'm just drawing one point to another point. Okay, like this. Click here, BX. See how it's showing. Same thing, right? It's a bracing. Okay, diagonal structure members. When you want to draw or add any diagonal structure members, we can use this command. Okay, and one more thing I will show you here, bracing BR. Then see here, it's a level starting from 0 and with the level 2. Correct? So if you want to add more levels, you can add also. Otherwise, you can give the numbers like uh, 5 meter from level to 5 meter. I'm just drawing here one point and second point. BR, BX, C. The elevation will change automatically. Okay. I hope it's clear. Then again, I will show you one more thing. BR. See here, if I'm drawing from left to right, let me delete these two. Then open to 3D as well using WT command. BX. See, if I'm draw the bracing commands from left to right, it will connected with the left portion as a 0 and right portion as a elevation. Correct? What are the elevation that you have given? See this? Let me delete this one. Okay. Okay, I will delete this one. See, I will show you BR. If I'm drawing from right to left, see this. The one that the point that you have started is a considered as a 0. The one you have ended as a considered as a first point. Okay, and you can change the elevations here as well. Reference level 1. Okay, even you can give the this is a cross section rotation. We'll talk later. Then here is the option called structural usage, structure attachment level 1, and this is 2. If you give 5 meter, then it will go with 5 meters. Okay, same thing, you can cut the section and you can draw as well. Simply cut the sections. Okay, just go to the section, then create similar. Okay, you can you can draw it here, then you can go to the section and you can align as per the requirement like this. If you want to cut, if you want to do like this, like this, like this. Okay, so I hope it's clear. I have explained only two shortcut keys. I hope it's clear. In further, we'll move with the other shortcut keys, structure, beam system, column, this and all are I will cover in the next videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share, and support.